Hello everybody and welcome to today's episode. Today's destination brings us to Nashville, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to dine at
the Rainforest Cafe.
And we're inviting you to join us. So this is pretty cool. It's actually raining in the Rainforest Cafe. Water droplets come down into this little basin that's down below here. And they funnel into the piping and they're recycled for the water to come raining down once again. It's pretty neat. Here's a pretty sick looking boa constrictor. Maybe it's an anaconda. What is this? Tracy tree. That's something. There's a poison dart frog, or a poison arrow frog. Look at this python. This is a pretty spectacular saltwater aquarium here, especially for one in a restaurant gift shop.
Okay, let's go.
Here's some cool parrots. Shirt about not feeding jaguars. I don't know what that's about. There's a lot of dinosaur themed items that you can find here too, which don't really know what that has to do with rainforest and modern day times, but I guess 65 million years ago there were dinosaurs in the rainforest, so it works. There's Gentry checking out some poppets. It seems like poppets is all the rage this year. Every year there's something popular with the kids. There's like fidget spinners, yo-yos, there's always something. And now it's something as simple as poppets. There's some cool magnets you can take home with you. We got some sloths, some cool shades, parrots, lions, panda bears. Gentry is sporting his Rainforest Cafe Jungle Safari Guide camouflage vest. Sweet. Some more dinosaurs. There's some stuffed animals you can take home for a pretty fair price. And no stone has been unturned when it comes to the atmosphere here. Look at this. Snakeskin seats. And we received a seat right next to the tigers. It's a tiger. I wonder what Carol Baskin thinks about this tiger exhibit. Here are some of the appetizers that are available. Jennifer's actually going to order the awesome appetizers adventure. Here's some seafood, which I'm going to order from. Here's some beef, pork, and chicken options that are available. Here we have sandwiches and burgers. There's pasta. And of course, there's desserts down here below. Sparkling volcano, cheesecake, key lime pie. And throughout your meal, the lighting in the sky changes from day to night. And every 30 minutes, there's a thunderstorm. Now, if you've ever been to the Landry's restaurant in Orlando, Florida, the TRex Cafe. This is very similar to the TRex Cafe in the fact that the theming is very reminiscent and similar to the TRex Cafe. And of course, at the TRex Cafe, every 30 minutes there's a meteorite that comes crashing down. Well, at the Rainforest Cafe, every 30 minutes there's a thunderstorm. And our food has arrived. I got the Taste of the Islands, which includes Caribbean coconut shrimp, dynamite scallops and shrimp, blackened tilapia, topped with pineapple salsa, and seasonal vegetables. Jennifer has opted for the awesome appetizer with chimichangas, spinach and artichoke dip, cheese sticks, and chicken strips. And Gentry has the kids' cheese pizza.
Thank you very much.
With macaroni. Gentry's gonna dive into his first bite of cheese pizza. Gentry got cheese pizza and the cheese macaroni. How is it? Show everybody the bottom of your crust. Nice. It's got a good char to it. Not underdone, but not overdone. And now for the macaroni.
Super juicy and I love it.
I can tell you like that right away. That's awesome. I'm getting ready to try my mixed vegetables, and it has some squash, broccoli, looks like there's some onions in there. Here we go. Normally I'm not a fan of mixed vegetables. I just get them to try to be a little bit healthier. These are really good. The way that they were steamed, they're seasoned in something that I can't really identify, but I'm a fan. For me personally, scallops are always something that's hit or miss. They have to be seasoned just right or cooked just right. And this has a lot of cheese, and here I go for the first bite. There's probably only been 3 times in my entire life I've enjoyed scallops, and I really like them. There's a little bit of a kick. There's a little bit of a sweetness in the first initial part of the bite, and then there's an afterburn. I don't know what's in here, but it's good. The tilapia has pineapple and mango on top. I wish there was some sort of a dipping sauce that went with it, because it's not dry by any means, but it just seems as if something's missing. And I don't think there's ever a time you can go wrong with coconut shrimp. The coconut shrimp comes with a pineapple dipping sauce. Here we go.
So sorry, ladies. We'll take care of it.
And there is no possible way on earth that we're going to make it to dessert, but if we did, we would get the sparkling volcano. Now, years ago, if you ever went to a Rainforest Cafe, they used to have a sparkler that was on top of the volcano dessert, which is brownies, ice cream, chocolate, and caramel drizzle with a little bit of whipped cream. But nowadays, there's not a sparkler on top. Instead, they just have a little streamer on top.
That card, I got one of these years and years ago, and you pay $25 for the Landry's Select card, and you can eat at any Landry's restaurant, and the next time that you eat at a Landry's, it's $25 off your meal. For every $1 that you spend, it's equivalent to 1 point, and once you get 250 points, you get $25 off your meal. And in addition to that, on your birthday, the month of your birthday, you get $25 off, just for having the Landry's Select card. Well, that was the Rainforest Cafe. How was it, Gentry?
Good. And I also give it a perspective of a 2 out of 10 because I need to give me more macaroni because that was so good.
Okay, but you like the pizza and you like the macaroni, but a 2 out of 10 just because of the portion size. What about you, Jennifer?
I thought it was really good.
Yeah. What was your favorite thing on your plate?
Probably the egg roll quesadillas.
And like I said, I am not a fan of scallops by any means, by any stretch of the measure. And I did find out there's actually shrimp along with those scallops, but whatever they cook them in, it was delicious. I will say you're definitely paying for the ambiance of the restaurant and the actual atmosphere and the experience more so than the food. Now, don't get me wrong, the food is good, but in terms of the price point for the food, you are certainly paying for the ambiance and the experience more so than the actual quality of the food. We thank you so much for coming along with us. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell below. And we look forward to seeing you next time on Every day is Saturday.